Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can insert a SIM card to your Nokia 105. As this is unusual to everything else we have here, we need to have like a little adapter kind of thing to put the SIM card in, otherwise it is not big enough. And we will go ahead, open up the back, and then I'll show you what I mean. We need to take out the battery, and then this is what I mean. It's bigger than our normal sized SIM card, so we will take this right now and then put the whole thing in here, and now it should work. We'll put the battery back in, close the back, and then we'll press the declining button here. Keep pressing until you see the Nokia logo. Pretty loud actually. So now we need to unlock our SIM card. Code accepted. Alright, you need to wait just a little second, and now you can see Kongster over here, so we can now make phone calls and send SMS. So that's how you can insert a SIM card to your Nokia 105. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.